So I'm sitting in the car at Steamship Authority waiting to get on this boat to go to Martha's Vineyard. We opted to take the car because it just financially made more sense to us than to just get on the boat. So yeah, the boat is unloading the cars that came off Martha's Vineyard, and then they have a ton of cars sitting here lined up. I don't know if you heard that. I'm getting ready to go out. There's the boat. There's a snack bar in the back and tons of seating on 2 floors. Martha's Vineyard, we're about to dock shortly. So a lot of things on this island are closed, and it's off season, so not everything is open. So we were trying to figure out what to eat. So the guy downstairs recommended this Mexican spot called Sharky's. So we ran over there and picked up some food and brought it back to eat so we relaxed. We drove here, so we're kind of tired and starving. Sit outside and you get this view. And there is the Edgartown Lighthouse. Check that out later. All this porch. Most of the stuff is closed because it's not season, like peak season. So trying to find things to eat or do anything is a little difficult. But we're making do. I think we're going to Linda Jean's for food. I don't think we're gonna get breakfast. Linda Jean's, getting some lunch. Alright, we got some food. Chicken club sandwich, cheeseburger, sweet potato fries, onion rings. Good to go?
Good to go.
Let's eat. Gingerbread houses. They have tons of them, all different colors. Point out how freaking cold it is out here. It's freezing. Aren't you cold?
Yes, I am.
It's freezing out here. Summer love. This is the pink house. It looks like someone threw up pink everywhere. All over this joint. And yeah, it's very detailed. The little Juliet balcony.
I like that thing it has coming up.
Oh yeah. I'm guessing the majorities were built in the 1800s then, and they look like they're either building new ones now or they're restoring them. One or the other. It's like a miniature house in the back of this one, which is pretty awesome. This one has a birdhouse outside of it. You see it? A little baby birdhouse is so cute.
It's crazy because the one thing they all have are flagpoles.
Yep, all of them. They all have flagposts on them. This is a really big one. Oh,
I really like that.
This one has a little mini one too. Look, so cute.
That blue and white. Yeah.
Oh, that one is really dope. He made a good point. He's like, this looks like Candyland. Definitely does. Oh, I like this turquoise. Cold ass Aquina cliffs, Gayhead clay cliffs. About to walk around, see what we find. It's really nice out here. Take a look-sees. Walking up these fine stairs here. Nobody's out because it's off season and nobody wants to be out here in the cold. Although there's some other people walking around. The wind is not as bad up here. It's still cold though, so precautionary measures because I don't want to get sick, but you have to see this view. It is amazing. Look at that. And because it is off season, nobody is out here. This has been a tourist attraction since the mid-1800s, and passenger ships used to land at the cliffs until the 1950s. Just in case you weren't aware, don't do these things. Preserve this. So these cliffs are now a national natural landmark since 1965, and they were held in trust for the Wampanoag tribe of Gayhead, whose ancestors lived on Martha's Vineyard for over 10,000 years. We are on the western part of Martha's Vineyard, so it took about 40 minutes to drive across from about Edgarstown over this way. So the wind isn't as bad up this way, but it is very cold, so protection. And yes, I put on my little gloves on. So we are at Martha's Clam Chowder Company, and I got, of course, clam chowder, because how do you come here and not eat clam chowder? And we got some crab cakes over here, looking scrumptious. Alright, I got some Atlantic salmon with some mashed potatoes and some Brussels sprouts. And this guy got lobster mac and cheese with shrimp on top, blackened shrimp.
Yummy.
Eating good in the neighborhood. Eat up, buddy. Chocolate lava cake.